Okay, and now on to the last video, creating an ePortfolio. So I showed you how to basically create the basics in an ePortfolio. You have sections, and on those sections you have different pages. So what you're going to do is you're going to take projects from your teachers from each subject, and you're going to work on those projects. So what you have to do is you go here to the sections. Okay, whatever project you're going to work on. If it's for mathematics, you can add a section, call it mathematics or maths, as I did, or you can add a section and name it with the name of the project. Let's say your math teacher gave you to make a project about online um, or distance learning technology. Let's say distance learning technology. So you create a subject, a section, I mean, from here you can add a section. You create a section with the name of the project you want to work on or the project you want to upload. Okay, what do you want to demonstrate in your ePortfolio? So let's take distance learning technology as an example. You can add pages here. Maybe on the first page, it's an untitled page. Here you can add the title. So on the first page, you would write maybe the instructions. Okay, so what are the instructions? Maybe you would say one, gather information about distance learning technology. And then you would say number two is organize these or this data gathered, organize this data in themes. And then I would say maybe I'll gather picture files to use in the poster or presentation or anything else. Okay, and then maybe that's the page for the instructions. So you'd go to the other page, you'd call it, so whatever it is, this doesn't have to be this way. What you do is you create a section with the name of the thing you want to do. This is in your notebook, on your digital notebook, on OneNote, and you have the pages. So the first page is the instructions, the second page is let's say the history of distance learning, or maybe the history, I'm not sure. So the history of distance learning technology. And then maybe you can add some stuff about what was the first device, or what was the first software, or it started with computers. You can add pictures of computers, you can add websites. One more thing, you can here insert a whole file. You can insert a file. So if you worked on a PowerPoint presentation, let's say that is one of the things you worked on during this course. So what you would do is, let's go, okay, I would go to desktop, Khalid, so work, semester, go, so I'm going to add here one of the presentations. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm going to add this presentation as one of the things I worked on in this. Insert as an attachment, or upload to OneDrive and insert link, or insert as printout. So I'm going to insert it as an attachment. So here you can see this is the file itself, and I can open the file from OneNote. Okay, so you can insert the file here you worked on. So I would say maybe what I would do maybe is, okay, so this presentation was made in the topic of and XYZ, and okay, and write other things, like write something about this. You can add a title here, maybe let's say that's design thinking. So I'm going to play a little bit with the font. Design thinking. Okay, So I would say this, write this on, so you can add all of those things. Okay, so this is how you create an ePortfolio. You create this, you add pictures, you add an introduction, biography, and you add all of those things, sections and pages for each project you want to do. And when you're done with this, how would you submit this? Is you would go here to the share button. You can see it on the top right corner, share button. Here you send it to an email address. So I'm going to write my email address. Okay. Can edit or can view. So maybe write can edit. And you can share this with, or I'm going to share this with myself on my other email address. How fun. But you're going to share it with your teachers. Okay. So you can share it with, as an email address, or you can send a copy. And how do you send a copy? You click on send a copy. So I don't have any contacts, but if I have contacts like the teachers, I can share it with them. Okay? I can share it on mail, Twitter, or on Skype. Okay, so this is how you share your work, you submit your work. Okay. So I hope this was clear for you. This is how you create it, and when you want to share it, all you have to do is click on share. When you want to submit your work to the teachers, click on share. Click the teacher's email, just write in the email right here. You can ask the teachers for their email so you can submit the work, and you can either make them view or edit your file, and then you click on share. So here, as you can see, here the owner of this notebook is me, and I shared it with also me, but on another email, and this person can edit. Okay, so I can invite again, change permission to view, or stop sharing. So you can change the permission here if you would like to, okay, or stop sharing. So I clicked on stop sharing by mistake, and now it's going to stop sharing with me. So this is how you submit it. You type in the email address of your teacher, you click on share, and the teacher can view it. The teacher is going to get a link on his email, and if he has OneNote with his email account, yeah, make sure to tell your teachers to give you the OneNote or the Microsoft account, the one they're using for OneNote, because you're using it using the Microsoft account. And I hope this is clear for all of you, and I hope you have a good day. Inshallah.